about this whole thing, if it does work or not. I mean, it does work, but then if it's gonna work for me, I don't know. Let's just go. Hello, beauties. Welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out this long-awaited experiment that I've always wanted to try out. I watch a lot of videos where I see people try out this sugar wax, and I'm like so curious. I want to see how this thing really works. So today, let's get straight into it and see what this is all about. It's looking like honey. Melted it now, so I'm just going to wait to cool off, and then I'm gonna apply. Okay, guys, soonest I'm going to be applying the sugar wax. If you look at me very well, you're going to see that this girl is tired. I'm all sweaty, I'm exhausted. What I've seen with this my eye because I want to do the sugar wax. People will not believe it. People will not believe it. I just did not bother filming all those things because I felt like I should not bore you with all these details. And I have me. I'm all sweaty because okay, let me just even just don't worry when I'm applying that waste just people. But first of all, before application, I just hope this thing works out. Though. I'm not still very confident that this wax is going to work. But let me just continue. If it does not work, that is it. But I must post this video. This sugar cannot frustrate me. I refuse to be frustrated. So I'm really sweaty right now because I don't hey God. Got my wipes. I'm just going to wipe my underarm before applying the powder. I see that most people apply powder. I see that most people apply powder before they start. So I'm going to do that as well. But let me just wipe my armpits for the sweat if applying the powder on it. So I got my mirror here because I want to be seeing myself as I'm applying this thing. Fingers crossed that this thing is gonna work out. At this point, with a heavy heart, I'm doing this video. It's not with a joyful heart anymore. This is the powder that I have, so I'm going to apply in this one. Like I'm rushing because this might just. Don't think that powder is enough. I don't think this thing is going to work. I might just try on down on that day, but today on you don't cast. God, see how just see me. And now the powder is too much, but anyways, like this thing has become a disaster. I'm even scared that it's too hot for my armpits, but we don't start now. You finish shooting, we start. So this is what it looks like. It's quite hard. But let me just do and see. Shebu na this yam. I think it's overcooked or whatever. I don't know how they call it. Over fried. I think it's cooked. So no do. It ends sticking, guys. Very good. I feel so disappointed. It's not working. All my effort, all my sweat, all my frying. It could have been. It's a mess. First attempt failed. Don't feel. Very disappointing. All this effort, all this excitement. Oh, I'm gonna do sugar wax. Did not pay. Let me just distribute pusher. Anyways, let me just. I don't think I'm going to do this again. I'm pissed off. I'm not doing it again. But what happened was that so I made it. I made it, and it was good. It looked good at least. It wasn't this dark brown. It was just okay. So because they said that we should allow it to cool down a bit, and I allow it to cool down, hoping that if I come back, even if it's too strong, I can always just hit it a bit and it comes loose again, like more liquid form. So I left it for hours. I'm not going to lie. I went to go do other things I needed to do. So I came back and it was so solid, like hard rock solid. I put it back on the gas to just loosen it a bit, and then it got loose. but very hot. You get right. So I transferred from that stainless plate to this ceramic plate, uh, thinking that okay, it's very hot now, and I'm already setting up my timer. I was like, let me just put it in a cold water, on a cold water, right, to become cold. I didn't know that that was trouble I was looking for. When I came back, it was hard rock again. But this time around, it's in a ceramic plate. I cannot put it on the fire, right? So I tried to like boil hot water and then put it in a bowl and put it inside. But that did not do justice to it. That just separated the liquid and the lemon from the sugar. That is the end of my story. That is what happened. Sugar scrub failed. This is the end of my video. Thank you for watching.